Hi there. If you've ever spent hours looking for the right transition effect or animation, you know how much time that eats up. Today, I want to show you something that completely changed the way I work, and right now it is available with the biggest Black Friday discount of the year at the absolute minimum price this bundle has ever had. The AE Juice I Want It All bundle. What is it? A huge collection of AE Juice bestsellers in one bundle. Smooth transitions, cinematic visual effects, animated titles, atmospheric overlays, and more. Instead of buying packs separately, you get everything at a massive Black Friday discount. You pay once, keep it forever, and this Black Friday is the only moment when it costs this low. You also get bonus voiceover AI for faster finishing touches. The bundle works with all major video editing software, so you can use it in the program you're already editing in. No more endless searching and separate purchases. Just open your library, choose what you want, and drop it straight into the project. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a simple edit with no effects. Now I'll add old Film Constructor. Film grain, dust, scratches, light leaks, and frame jitter for a true vintage look. Perfect for storytelling, nostalgia, and travel diary. VHS Retro Overlays, glitch lines, and classic camera UI for an authentic analog vibe. A few more favorites. Prism effects, cinematic light flares, and rainbow refractions for a dreamy, high-end look. Cinematic LUTs, one-click color grades to set the mood fast. Apply fine-tune intensity and keep moving. Animated markers, hand-drawn arrows, highlights, and shapes that guide the viewer's eye. Perfect for tutorials and breakdowns, for sports analysis, and we're still not done. Digital Screen Constructor. Build futuristic screens, dashboards, and hood-style panels for tech and sci-fi edits. Light swipes. Elegant light streak transitions that add energy and style to your cuts. Every one of these packs can be previewed and applied in just a few clicks using the AE Juice Pack Manager. Download Pack Manager from the AE Juice website, install it, log in, and your library appears inside your editing software. Browse by category, preview in real time, download what you need, and drag and drop straight into your timeline. To wrap it up, the I Want It All bundle is a lifetime toolkit for video creators. Every style, every genre, every project is covered. And right now, it is not just a good deal, it is the lowest Black Friday price in its entire history. Get it while the offer is active. Link in the description, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I will remind you again, this is the best moment to buy. On Black Friday, the prices are the lowest.